tongue dripping all over this bay? Already claimed you before these rocks crush me. Drive faster, little van. The tide is rising. Stay away from my roof lights. Why is my tongue over this sand? Because the desert already smells fear. I'm getting out before this. Drive faster, little. The dunes are sinking. Stay away from my container. This tongue is splashing slime everywhere! These flowers are trying to bite my tires! The hungry valley can smell you! Keep running, the roots are closing in! Get your vines off my roof! This tongue is spraying slime into the steam! The boiling ground can smell your fear! I'm escaping before this mountain erupts! Drive harder! The earth is opening! Get away from my cannon! Then race against the sky! Get away from my water cannon! Because the cliffs already know your fear. I'm getting out before this bridge throws me off. Drive faster, little truck. The gorge is waiting. Stay away from my exhaust pipes. This tongue keeps covering my wheel with slime. The valley has been waiting for your fear. You're not catching me on 3 wheels. Then survive the rolling fruit. Get out of my truck bed. Why is my tongue dripping all over this salt road? Because the white flats already know your fear. Drive faster, little truck. The ground is breaking. Stay away from my truck bed. Why is my tongue dripping all over this road? Because the black forest already knows your fear. I'm getting out before this bridge breaks. I can't stop this tongue! The canyon already smells your fear! Get away from my roof! Run faster, little beast! The spores are closing in! This road is too slippery! This slime is covering my bumper! Get off my roof! Run faster, little dancer! My tongue is flooding the whole road! The deep sea likes your new mouth. I'm not sinking into this nightmare. Then race before the shell closes. Keep your tentacles off my fins! This tongue is dragging through the salt! The desert is tasting your fear! I'm not staying for your sandstorm. Then race before the sky breaks! Keep your thorns off my roof! Why is my tongue dripping all over the road? Because this forest has already tasted your fear. Then run faster before the grove closes in. Stay away from my pipe!